Kami sa Pasig City, sa Manila. Dito kami sa Pilipinas. Tapos may foundation called Gawad Kalinga. And we got the opportunity to feed 100 kids Jollibee. Wala na perspective lang overall kasi like we're so lucky to be in America, you know, like you complain on the smallest things and why are you complaining? Like you go over here, you know, I wish people can see this. I'm sure, you know, you've seen a lot, but I wish you can see this and actually experience it. And it really fulfills your heart. You know, like contribute ka sa mga bata, pinapakain mo. And, you know, you donate pera just to help them. You know, like $1, US dollars can go very far here sa Pinas.